Hello children, welcome to www.pynemonk.com. Let's draw human lungs today. Materials required for that are drawing sheets, black marker, pencil, eraser and scale. So let's start by making a box. I am making a box of 6 and 9.5 centimeter. That is 9.5 centimeter of horizontal line and 6 centimeter of vertical line. Now let's make two lines over here in between so that it would be easy to make lungs either side of the box. Let's start drawing the part of lung in the middle of that two lines. So there are 7 parts of lungs, children. So the 7 parts of the lungs are nose, mouth, throat, voice box, windpipe, large airways, small airways and lungs. So this is the windpipe, children. In scientific term you can call it trachea. Let's start drawing from the corner of the box. So make a curve like this and join it to this. Make a vertical line and join it over here. Make a curve and draw over here from top of the box to the corner of the box. Do the same way on this side too. So these lungs are situated in the chest part of the human body, or in scientific term they are situated in the thorax region of the human body, or thorax cavity of human chest, you can call it. So we have two lungs. And the right lung is bigger than the left lung. Draw another lung form inside this main lung, so that we can show detailed information inside this part of the lung. Now I am joining this windpipe to the lungs. These are called bronchi. Now let's make a semicircle form over here. This is the voice box, or you can call it larynx. And let's make branches from this bronchi, which are called bronchioles. So these are divided into smaller and smaller branches. Let's extend these branches or branchioles. The tip of these branchioles are called alveoli. So these are alveoli. So these are alveoli. These lungs are spongy in texture and they are air filled organs which are located on either side of the chest, as I told you earlier. So, the trachea conducts inhaled air into the lungs through its tubular branches, which are called bronchi. Then, these bronchi are divided into smaller branches, which are called bronchioles. These alveoli are where the lungs and blood exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide during the process of breathing in and breathing out, which means oxygen that we breathe in from the air passes through the alveoli and into the blood and travels to the tissues throughout the body. Let's trace the drawing with black marker pen. I am using tissue over here so that it doesn't slip away. My hand doesn't slip away while giving the strokes with black marker pen. So these rings represents the windpipe or trachea. So I believe you children understood the function of our lungs. That is the reason why we are all breathing now. So you have to keep in mind that you always have to look after your lungs and keep them clean. You should avoid tobacco in the future. Now let's label this diagram. So this is the larynx, which is also called as voice box. This is where your voice comes from. And this is trachea. This is where your oxygen goes in and carbon dioxide comes out. So basically it means that's the windpipe. And this is pleura. The pipes, as I told you earlier, the smaller branches over here are called branchiole, and the end of the branchioles are called alveoli. So these are bronchus, and this is the lung. So let's write the name of this diagram underneath here, that is lungs. Hope you had fun learning and enjoying today's class. So keep watching Pynemonk videos to learn more about human and drawing them easily. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.